Hello, Al again from Ultimation. Just a quick little instructional video, if you like, on how to install the adjustable stop for repetitive cuts with your new slicer. So first thing we're going to do is flip the blade all the way back. Now, be very cautious. Now we have exposed this blade. The only time during use of this that you're going to have the blade fully exposed, so be extremely cautious. Nice little piece of bright green masking tape will protect that edge, and also you can see it. So we're going to take the existing fence off just by undoing these two little thumb screws, or knobs, I guess, and take the fence. The working side of this is on the left-hand side, as it indicates, square cut. So we want the rail, which quarter-inch rail, which is installed on the left-hand side of the fence. So over we go. There is two 4mm set screws come with the accessories in your slicer, and a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Now, there's no need to over tighten at this point, just snug. Now the fit, or the tolerance on this, is quite tight. That's just sort of touching there. So what you want to do before you tighten it is ensure that the fence is all the way in that direction, away from the rail. Just with your thumb and your forefinger, we're going to push that all the way in that direction, away from the rail, and then snug it up. And lots of clearance. Nice, smooth action. Now we can reinstall it. There is a little fiber washer, 12/1000ths of an inch actually, and that is to bring the cutting mat surface up flush, which helps make a much nicer cut. Don't be tempted to put tape on that to hold it, because that throws the distance off and it won't be as flat a surface. So a little bit of fiddling just to get that in exactly the right spot. Prop the fence back on, and once again, be careful when you're doing this, sharp edge. Now we reinstall the little carriage bolts. And you're ready to go back to work. Don't forget to take the tape back off. Blade down. Now we can set that at 0. And that stop will go right up and make contact with the blade, so you've got infinite adjustment right out to almost 10 inches in length. So back to work. Stay tuned for more tips.